So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy a stock here on the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up, I want you to scroll down to where it says buy and sell. It's this green little circle icon just like this. Press on buy and sell. Now once you're here, you can go to the top and search up a stock, or you can go to this bar right here and you can view the top gainers, you can view the most active, you can view the best rated or the most rated, whatever the case may be. But for this demonstration, I'll go to recent searches right here and I will type in TELUS right here, ticker symbol TELUS Corp. So you can go T.TO just like this. So once you're here, you can go down to the bottom left and press on buy. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and select either the quantity, so you can go ahead and do a limit order or a market order. This is in regards to shares. If you wanted to buy 2 shares of TELUS Corp right here, it'll show you the price. You can also go to dollar amount right here, and if you want a fractional buy, you can type in $10 or whatever, and then go down to the bottom and press on next, and there you go. Very straightforward. So it's pretty simple, but that's how you guys can buy a stock just like this, or just how you guys can buy a stock here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.